All right, good morning to you. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. So this hour, we are going straight to the program because this program is about the Fulani group in Orsu. And of course, what they said, I don't care about what you want to do with your village. I don't care how you perceive the Biafra movement or what you think about Mas NNAMUDI. You are entitled to your opinion. But the thing is that if you are saying that or doing that, can you make sure you say the truth? That is actually what differentiates good people from bad people. Good people don't accuse people because of their perceive or how they see other people, but they accuse people based on what the people are capable of doing or what they're actually doing. So there's a video of people who claim they are from Orsu ihiteukwa. I think that is the village of Kesh. This guy on dread you are seeing here. You see, there's some group of Igbo people who don't understand where the problem is or where the genesis of the problem, but they want to add their opinion, like they want their voice to be heard. Okay, and these people have gone to the level of claiming that they know what they don't know, and they can use anything to justify their claim or to make it look like what they're saying is true. So in this video, we are going to go through the recent trending video of some group of people whom I prefer calling Fulani group in Igbo land. These are people who believe that anything Biafra is fraudulent, it is criminal, it is forbidden, it's any bad name that you can attach to it. Without wasting much of your time, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I want you watching this video now to please calm down, pay attention to every word that will come out from this group of people. Then you will now understand why I said what I said, that there are a group of Fulani people in Igbo land parading themselves or masquerading as Igbo people, but the truth of the matter is that they are not Igbo and they can never, ever be anything Igbo, let alone representing Igbo people. Hear this and hear it clearly. Let's continue. Watch. No, I want to start from the beginning. Okay, listen.
Biafra, red and the black and the blue. I get the guy to wear like out. Why you all on a rack? Also, a black like in a red Obuda. You will newspaper. Check the banner that you Biafra. I make a time where I will let the Biafra like common newspaper into the Canada. I won't get one. Anything after Biafra. Even for not the Kano yet to Palabu Obuda. Orsu all. That one bastard. That man of Orsu. I'm a baby house. Not the Kalo, I want wine over that. He comes out one wine over that. Mike has at least I want wine over that. I ain't a hard dog. I ain't a ham anything. I ain't a hat. Can you hear about over that? Can you hear about over that? If you went them over there, Jalala. Someone had nature no Jara Junga came with Naju. Who not do the Probodo or President? Okay.
Okay, now you can hear what he said, and I want you to notice something in this video. You will see these two people. Don't worry, I will pause it.
One, mmadụ jiri flag esere color ya Biafra red and the black and the blue color. Anyị ga-eji aka itigbuela aka. Nwaanyị ọbụla na-ere akara ọsọ ya bụrụ akara ka ị na-ere n'obodo a i wee were newspaper cheki letere Biafra anyị mekata hụ ya bụ letere Biafra la common newspaper ahụ ejiri kere mmadụ akara anyị ga-awụ gị mmanụ akara. Anything after Biafra.
Now, this is Accusations. Okay? This is Bugana never. Bugana cannot work Accusations and Nkabo Udele. Okay? Now, like I told you, I am not from Orsu. I don't what is going on in Orsu, like what how Orsu people feel about Orsu is not my problem. They're entitled to the opinion and all that. But he said here that anybody that carries or bear anything Biafra flag, okay, that they are going to buy you, they are going to kill the person. Or even to the extent of why in Akara. Now could the kitchen Madakara. Or now all the old famous Biafra that are going to pour the person that hot oil or the Yakara. This man, they are saying this thing, even with the brag that he's going to buy Mas Namankan. Not one, not two, not three. In a country that tried and jailed Mas Namankan for saying that they should go and burn, according to them, that they should go and burn places and all that, said word of mouth, no action, nothing. But in the same country, people who support government or who want government Nigeria to be the way it is now, who drive joy and make sure that Igbo land is being conquered by Fulani, they are saying not one, not two. Cash also have said similar thing. With the same thing. Attachment guy. What name of guy? This guy. Guess neighbor in Newu. As now no MBC. That guy. Ikenga. Not one. Not they have said even to this and even Jovika, the so-claimed man of God, have also bragged on how they will buy somebody in a country that tried and jailed somebody for saying something that they have not put into action. Now, in the same country, we have seen some clips and some videos of people buying people wearing Nigerian military uniform. If you say they are not Nigerian army, how about those who carry bulldozer to people's village and start pulling people's buildings down? Guess who are those doing that? In those ones who say they are Igbo people, they are the one pointing hands on all these houses and selling them out. They can point at the enemy and label you that you are ESN, you are Biafran agitator, and that is all. Your house will be demolished. If you have seen videos of people wearing Nigerian uniform with armor tank that ordinary people will don't have access to, but I've seen people with that kind of, armor tank going from place to place, people's houses, pulling it down, burning it down. Why? Because this group of people who call themselves Igbo, who have differences or who have one or two things against Mas Namankan, against the Biafra movement, they are the one pointing those houses and demolishing and destroying it. After doing that, they will not on that camera and start telling you that, oh Mama, Biafran people are burning people's house, destroying people's house, just to make an ordinary people who may not have access to the authentic information to start seeing any Biafran agitator as a threat, as a problem to the society. Now, this is from what QTV said. He said, situation report in Orsu, ihiteukwa, in Imo State, as atrocities of Nigerian army still ongoing in Biafra land. No forgiveness, no zoo informant. That is what people who made this video said. And let's hear what the video is all about. But before then, the picture here needs to be published properly. So these are faces of people who are doing all they can, doing all their possible best to make sure that Igbo land is being handed over to Fulani. This is from Orsu, and they are busy labeling other people that they are the one causing problem. Just like the video of Asam Togo that have been trending, where he claimed that he's Alhaji Ahmad, what is his name? Alhaji something or Asam Togo. I don't know how to pronounce an Arabic word, so don't blame me. But he said that his name is being translated to represent jihadist, someone who carry jihad. And what is jihad? Jihad is an ideology of Islamic group that believe that they have to use military actions or military force to force you to submission, to conquer you by fire, by force. Even if you want to buy you and take anything that belongs to you, they are going to do it. Jihad is the fact. Jihad is one of the worst ideology I have ever seen, or I've ever heard about in my entire life. Maybe you may have another ideology, but anything jihad, that is most brutal. I started to open his recent video. He's telling you that he is this, is that. And this is the same man who is being contracted by Igbo politicians to bring peace in their community. How can a jihadist bring peace, my people? I'm just asking. How can a jihadist be allowed to have military wing in Nigeria? If not that Nigeria has been, wired or conditioned to enable and to incubate jihadist people, those who have that ideology. Nigerian government have already give them free hands to carry out that ideology freely with the government of Nigeria funding it, of course, because that jihad already have taken place even in the government as we speak. Now hear this.
Today being 10 of March.
This month, 10 of March. 6 days ago. Today is 16. Okay.
I'm up to 10 houses of Orsu. DSS within the Orsu's room, Bohabia, and I told Mama. Yeah, then, Ulan was welcome. Ulan was welcome. Lost ihiteukwa. Then of an I told Mama. Molo, I can't know where half has in the Hana told Mama. And I don't know more than the mother. And I'm more than the mother of today, being 10 of March 2026. The when you number one, I watch when you I work on the name of my child, no more than I'm walking. No, which you now will learn the mother. Well, now, fear, I'm not and I'm aware of I wonder I did answer that walk. Now go that finish Nigeria. I have a good woman. I go that finish. The level of Anna, yes, and Anna, go mama. I want to see that I'll see it over. Regina, no, which you want to walk. I was in the mother. I'll be each other with the cash also. I'll go out there. The ones I see there. I cannot confirm where. All of us are here. One more tanker. No see it over. Cash and the children almost all on there, and also it will be the hawk. I can't confirm why I got to mother. I want money. When I have what I got today. No, no, they believe on. I want to tell them how they go as you. How got I got no, and today.
I don't know the person that is saying this, so to be honest, I don't know the voice.
We don't know where. And we buy now we don't be that. We don't know where. About the other 300 something amount can know the bill, but don't. Ole for
na-aga na mgbe uwe eziokwu ihe na-emenụ ihe a na-eme ụlọ ọgbọ bụ nnọkọta ụlọ mmadụ na-eme vidio si n'ọbụ ụlọ ndị ESL n'ime ọhịa ka ebi na-ewere ha ihe oyiri ha bụ bịa agaghị na-afụ ya akpọtụsị ụlọ ndị mmadụ yana mafụ ESL ha na-achụ ndị ESL a ga-atụ ha egwu agadụ nna egwu mmadụ ketekwa ya ụzọ ha si bịa up to 10 houses ka a mụrụ ọkụ n'Orsu ihiteukwa 10 houses ka a mụrụ ọkụ n'Orsu ihiteukwa na-elekwa na keshọpụ ndị mmadụ nọ n'afọ ya ha sị na kọmpandụ mmadụ egredi kọmpandụ mmadụ ndị na nwafọ a na-achụ ESL keshọpụ mmadụ ga-akụ akụtụchiri ife nọ n'afọ ya na-egredi kọmpandụ ndị mmadụ ndị na nwafọ na-achụ ESL ọ nọ n'afọ ya up to 10 houses ka ha mụrụ ọkụ today 10 ka ha mụrụ ọkụ today n'Orsu ihiteukwa ọ na-agụsị mmanụ ogbuligwetiri ebubu ya ọ na-agụsị mmanụ ogbuligwetiri ihe nweta n'oge udu ha kpatara ma ndị ahụ ji sokwuru jụrụ anyị jụọ na ijele ha ụdị kesh ọsọ ha afa ebeliva m lekwa ya tiri n'ime ọhịa ka anyị biri anyị ebiela ụlọ mmadụ nna m nwere ụlọ ụmụnne nna ọkụ ụlọ ejistra ụlọ ụmụnne nnu the name of on fight it's a security network na affair ya first ndị mmadụ ha si kapado mmadụ tiwa kapado mmadụ ntutu si ya bata ha kụtụrụ ụlọ 4 side ya mụọ ụlọ 10 ọkụ side ya kewe obi ndị obodo a lee ya okuru mmanwụ ha ndị obodo a ka ha kụtụchiri mụọ ọkụ aka nọ n'afọ ya today being 10 of March 2026 ka ihe a na-eme n'Orsu ihiteukwa anyị gwara ha ọsọ na ha mente fakọtara ọ na-eme ejiri ewegbuligara ha n'iyi since over this war bidoro since 3 weeks na ha wazi nke kpachara ọnụ bịa na we no be them ha nwere ha ji anwụ na ọ na-agbachasa agụọ mmanya ama nke ama nke ọzọ asịla ka sọ ala Biafra ka anyị na-azụ ha na-azụ freedom ka ọ dịrị okwu matara ka mma Naijiria nzọ hapụ Borno steeti hapụ Zamfara hapụ Kaduna ibe Boko Haram na-egbu ha ibe ha na-enwe ike ewere aka ndị Igbo nta ọnụ ndị politishan ndị Igbo nta ọnụ Chukwu ga-akpọ m n'ọkụ na-enwe ike ịhụ ihe ọma n'ụwa ndụ generation na-enwe ike ịhụ ihe ọma nnogbu aka nri na-ebute ọnwụ nnogbu aka ekpe nnu ga-ebute ọnwụ famili nnu ga-ebutecha ọnwụ ma nwa mụrụ taa na famili nnu ga-ebute ọnwụ ike ịhụ ihe ọma n'ego ha na-eme famili ndị mmadụ ụlọ ndị mmadụ akụtụchi ụlọ ndị mmadụ Orsu ihiteukwa ha na-akụtụchi famili ndị mmadụ ụlọ ndị mmadụ the name of ana fight it's a security network ha nwere katapila ha buru ga-abụrụ olu ha buru katapila ha ga-abụrụ olu ebe ndị amị na-agba barak ebe ndị bụ terrorist na-agba barak ha finish the barak ha oyibe ga ha na-eke ike ha buru katapila ha ga-abụrụ olu maka ndị Igbo rere onwe ha ere krashi ndị Fulani aha obodo ndị Hausa na ndị Fulani na ndị Igbo efuru efu amụrụla mba Hausa eji uche Hausa mụta webezie ha na-ewusi ụmụnne ha na-agba anyị wọ ọ wụ na ụmụnne ha ka ha na-amụ ọkụ na onye ama enwe ha nwetara taa enwe ha mepụrụ nle ọbara na ghọta na enwe na-eme mande I got what a house up. I got what a house up. Look where that would mother there. When the mother there, I'm walking. Up to 10 houses, I'm walking to death. Lost in Ethiopia. How can I be like, bro? You get a man. I will draw your army to the east before you will know. Tell me to get over your land in north. I am never. I'm having a man who look at my dog. I live in north. I can see it. Two liar, they went to the mother.
All right, so that is the video from Orsu ihiteukwa, right? And like I told you, I don't know who is recorded the video. I don't know whose voice is that, but you can hear the story. You can relate based on what they told you about Odumeje's house and other stories like that. What do you think? Let me know what you think on the comment section. Please like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. God bless you and take care of yourself. Good morning, good afternoon. Take care of yourself and make sure you subscribe, please. I expect you to subscribe and comment. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now. Good morning.